The UV filtering acrylic is going to come with paper on both sides. And so I think one little tip I can give you is you take a cloth that is just a little damp and just wipe the surface on both sides. Maybe wipe the edges. I find that getting an edge started, I don't really have fingernails, so I use a blade. And just pick right at the very edge. Oh, that one just already came up for me. And I'm going to get a roll. You can just peel it back like this if you want. But I'll show you the nice roll trick. If you have a cardboard tube, it doesn't have to be this thick, but and as long as the diagonal of your plexi, it will work. Again, now wearing gloves would be useful because you don't want to get fingerprints on your plexi. One challenge of working with plexi is that because it's plastic, it tends to attract dust. So, and I'd say that's the hardest part about doing your own framing, is dealing with dust. We do carry the little HEPA blower, so you can blow dust off of things with it. Sometimes it helps to stand it up. Alright, so now we're going to take that side that we just peeled and put it face down on your print. And then we're going to peel the other side. And so now you have most of your layers. I'm inspecting for dust, and it actually looks pretty good. This kit also comes with a piece of 1/8 inch acid-free foam core, which is going to be used as a backing board. So we're going to put that underneath. We have all of our layers in place. Now we're ready to put it in the frame.